Hello and welcome to the Catalyst for Users video series. My name is Brian with Center for Internal Change, and in this short video, I'm going to walk you through how to learn a little bit about your style. So you can see here, I'm already logged into Catalyst. This is the online website for everything DiSC. And what I'm going to do is just click on this button right here at the top that says Learn About Your Style. Once I do that, it's going to redirect me to a new page. I can learn a little bit about the 4 basic DiSC styles here at the top. And if I scroll down, I get to see where my dot and my shading is here on the DiSC map. This area here tells me a little bit about what that means. And if I scroll down here, I see my DiSC story. Now this area tells me a little bit about myself, how I may prefer to interact and communicate, how I might want to work. And scrolling down past all of this, I come across the Cornerstone Principles. These are really important. If you're using DiSC to really communicate with anybody, highly recommend going over these. And then finally down at the bottom, we have the style podcast. Now this is going to be tuned into your unique DiSC style. So you see mine is tuned into the IS style. Each of these is about an hour long, and they're narrated by Dr. Mark Scullard. He is the Director of Product Innovation over at Wiley, which is the publisher of everything DiSC. And then down here at the bottom of the page, we have some more options that we can use to explore, and we do go over those in some other videos. But for now, that's all. Thank you so much for joining me.